Hello Eden Prairie and welcome to the Tuesday, May 26th edition of Eden Prairie Today. I'm your host Paul Wall, substituting this week for the vacationing Chris Allwell. Memorial Day has come and gone, and that means the race to complete road construction projects in Eden Prairie and across Minnesota is on. Crews are out in full force along a stretch of Pioneer Trail from Shetland Road east to Flying Cloud Drive in Eden Prairie. Improvements include widening the roadway from 2 to 4 lanes with left and right turn lanes, curb and gutter, and trails on both sides. 4 new traffic signals will also be added. Construction was to have begun last summer but was delayed until this year for a variety of reasons. The roadway is expected to be completely finished in summer 2011. The project is a joint effort between Eden Prairie and Hennepin County, with the county as the lead agency responsible for the design and implementation phases. While the road will remain open, officials recommend anyone driving on Pioneer Trail keep an eye out for men and equipment. Going camping this summer? Be sure to bear-proof your campsite. Grizzly bears at the Minnesota Zoo in Apple Valley recently demonstrated what can happen when bears visit an unprotected campsite.
The Minnesota Zoo's 3 grizzly bears showed the importance of bear-proofing campsites Saturday morning as part of Bear Awareness Week. Zookeepers set up a mock campsite inside their exhibit, but it didn't stay up for long. When 3-year-olds Sadie, Kenai, and Haynes were let into the exhibit, they headed straight for the tent and a food-filled backpack that was hanging from a tree. When camping in bear country, the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources recommends bringing dehydrated and freeze-dried foods sealed in plastic to reduce odors. Campers should avoid burning unused food and be sure to wash all dishes and utensils after each meal. Dishwater should be disposed of away from the site. Food and cooking equipment should not be kept in the tent.
Showers that were expected to begin Tuesday night will likely continue into Wednesday, according to the weatherunderground.com forecast. Highs tomorrow should reach the mid-60s. Wednesday evening, look for temperatures in the upper 40s. That's it for this edition of Eden Prairie Today. Join us again tomorrow.